Before creating the servlet pages and JSP pages, we should create a new project. File and click on New Project. Choose Java Web and Web Application. I used Java Web and click on Next. I give the project name as example. Example 1 or example 2. And next. Now you should select the server. So I choose Apache Tomcat and next browse the location of Tomcat server. This easy and C and program file, Apache Software Foundation, and I select B. Open Catalina by this PC, C, program file, Apache Software Foundation, username, root, password 1, 2, 3, and finish. Next, now we skip this and finish. After creating the project, we can see an HTML page as index.html. Please right-click on the page and click on Run File. Or you can use this. Now, copy this URL paste it on your browser's URL bar and enter. Now you can see the output as to the right content. You can see this on your browser. See? Thanks for watching us. If you get something from this video, don't forget to subscribe, share, and